look at you.
Maybe people that don't
Look at
know
this
about
kid,
it.
look at this kid.
Stop.
Well, it's his fault. Fucking Todd. What a fucking idiot. It's his fucking fault. I got it captured, mate. Fuck's sake. Fucking fault.
Oh my god. Whose fault?
It's like motorbike. Fuck's sake. What is he doing?
It's amazing that you can see clips like that happening from an absolute mile off. This motorcyclist to overtake on a residential street must need his bumps feeling, because that's ridiculous. We've already seen this as well in other clips that I've shown. Nathan's clip with the tractor. Anywhere where there could be a right turn for another vehicle to do, or an entrance or a road, if people overtake, honestly, all they're looking for is going straight to hospital. While we're going on about Nathan's clip, I did a follow-up video to Nathan's analysis episode where I was explaining my comment that I said that if I was the tractor driver that this wouldn't have happened to me. And the same goes for this clip. If I was the BMW driver, that this wouldn't have happened to me either. I would have seen a motorbike coming down. And it's really important to understand this and add this to your driving if you don't do this. It's not the case of saying, well, I've just put the signal on, I'm doing that turn. You have to watch out for other people. And this was proved in another recent clip of mine, saving a cyclist, where me and my pupil saw a cyclist overtaking and stopped. It's simple if you keep watching.
Head round to the left, Sandra. Good, yeah. So stay in front of the cyclist, you're okay, aren't you? Good, look far and round. We're going to take the second road on the right. Not where the white car is, but just after. And tell people, yes. Good, keep an eye on him. We'll go in second. Clutch down, stop. Put it first, and off we go.
What was your thoughts on the BMW's position as it actually did the clip? Is it something, without looking at it again, that you picked up on? Well, it is a big factor in this clip also. Now, I know people are going to be kicking off straight from the off here, but your position is as important as your signal. I know some people are going to be already typing, but it is actually the case. Every single second of your drive you're being watched, and if your position and your speed doesn't match up with your signal, you're going to tell people the wrong things. And for me, the BMW driver needed to be closer towards that centre line. And while we're going on about BMWs and signals, we have to congratulate the BMW driver for putting his signal on in good time. It was on for at least 6 seconds before he made the turn, and in any scenario, especially this, that's plenty of time for that motorcyclist to see what the BMW driver is going to do and act accordingly. But it also validates another point that I always go on about, and again, people are going to be starting to type pretty soon, that if you routinely put a signal on, you stop yourself looking. And I think that's what's happened in this scenario. Because if that BMW driver was truly aware of what or who he was signalling for, don't you think he should have seen the motorcyclist? So to everyone who routinely puts a signal on for absolutely everything, this is what it can lead to. Your signal should be timed specifically to the situation you're in, and you won't do that if you just think, I'm going to put it on for everything. These clips and my analysis can sometimes come across as I'm picking on the wrong people, and I see that from the comments. But if you think of that, and if you agree with that, you're missing the point. The motorcyclist did an absolute idiotic manoeuvre by trying that overtake at this point. But if I just point that out, that's an easy fix. But the BMW's mistakes are more subtle, and they're going to be missed by a lot more people. And you've only got to be absolutely the creme de la creme to actually pick up on these things. So if I help out with those mistakes, I'm actually helping out a lot more people and not just fixing the stupid ones. I hope that makes sense. Take care everyone, and I'll see you all soon.